The cheapest secret to growing the longest hair in the world. There's been a growing interest in natural beauty products for some time now, with the likes of honey, olive, and coconut oil replacing conventional hair care. As we take a less chemical approach to maintaining the health of our hair and skin, the search for natural alternatives has taken the beauty pack to a remote region in Asia. Wendy owed their famously long hair to a very natural method. According to recent beauty buzz, the secret to strong, shiny hair originates from an ancient Chinese village, nicknamed the Long Hair Village. Most women in this area have hair longer than 1.4 meters and have even made an appearance in the Guinness Book of Records as the world's longest hair village. Fermented rice water. Yes, generations of young women have been using the water to cook the rice in to wash their hair for years, which has resulted in their impressively beautiful hair. It's been their secret to long hair for centuries, as well as imperial princesses in the East since ancient times. Cutting their hair only once in their lives. At the age of 18, the women wash their hair using fermented rice water, the misty-colored liquid left from boiling rice. According to studies, the water is found to be rich in the antioxidants, mineral, and vitamin E, as well as restorative properties that improve hair's elasticity and condition. Also found in rice water is inositol, a carbohydrate that can repair damaged hair as well as protect it from future damage. Not that the young woman will need it, but this could help anyone with damaged hair. In addition to this, the amino acids in the fermented rice water help strengthen the hair roots and smooth the surface of the hair, making it shine. Here is how to make and use this cheap and easy ancient hair wash. Rinse a cup of rice to get rid of any dirt. Place in a bowl and cover with water for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Strain the water into a plastic bottle. Leave it at room temperature for a day until it turns slightly sour and starts to ferment. Pour into a pan, boil it, then allow to cool. Add a few optional drops of tea tree, lavender, or rosemary essential oils. Use the water as an alternative to shampoo by gently massaging it into your scalp and length. Rinse thoroughly. So that was the secret to grow your hair super long. Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching.